Day 3. We're headed to the Hook Creek. Should be there in 2 days. River's a heck of a lot better than it started out.
About a foot higher than it was yesterday. Now it's twice as wide, a foot deeper.
In the woods you see a woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too.
Video of these sweepers are coming up, Dad. This is one of the adventures we run into on this river. We have to come out with the chainsaw. But this one, we're going to try to go around it here on the right. Keeps things exciting here, trying to float down a river.
Nathan's going over to check out the barricade up ahead of us. We got a pretty good one right here. We're just trying to port around it right now. And if that other one's good, then we'll try to cut this one out and see if we can get past it.
I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name, just Hillbilly. My grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a businessman.
Campsite, day 3. Right on the river.